What up, guys? It's your boy Rezzo saying hello and welcome back to another video. Unfortunately, this ain't the type of video I normally like making for you guys. Yeah, it's a sad occasion. A watch that I've had for about a year and a half, close to 2 years now, looks like this. And I'm not sure exactly what happened. The screen just decided to come off, just pop off, poof. And everything's still intact, as you can see, but it no longer, like this part, no longer decides to come on. Back here, don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like a little green, not sure if you can see that, but there's like a little green little light. That still comes on. If I get a call, it'll still vibrate, but nothing shows. So I really want to fix it instead of, having to buy a whole new watch because, those things can be expensive. But I don't know how to fix it. I've looked online, tried to figure out how to fix it. None of them really help me out or explain how to really fix the thing. So this is where I need you guys' help, okay? If you know anybody who fixes watches, who knows how to fix this type of watch, this type of issue with a watch, can get this thing back to life where I need it to be, please comment down below so I can reach out to them. I don't mind paying also for their services to help get this fixed. Of course, if it's going to cost more than just buying a new one, then it kind of doesn't make any sense to get this fixed when I can just buy a brand new one. So my goal is to be able to get it affordably fixed, right? If can't find nobody within about 30 days or so, then yeah, I'll probably just go ahead and just buy a new one. But hopefully you guys can come through for me and you can help me find somebody who knows or who can fix this watch and get this thing back to life. So that's really about it, guys. That's all I have. Please help if you can. But yeah, I will see you guys in another video where it will not be anything about this. Okay? Thank you guys for watching.